Hello, my name is Charles Crawshaw from Australia. I live in room 3718 in Damac Ghalia Tower. And I'm leaving to go to Nigeria on the 13th of August. And I just want to make this video because before I go, I need to obviously submit an application to have the deposit I laid down for this 1 year agreement for room 3718. And just a couple of things that needs to be fixed. And so we need some quotations done for the apartment to be back in beautiful order, ready for the next person to rent out. One is the sink. The cold water works, but the hot water, something's popped. The valve is popped. And so when you press the hot water, it leaks underneath the sink. And so when the plumber saw this, he said what needs to be done is for the sink unit to be lifted up and then to fix the valve connection for the hot water, and then for the sink unit to be put back down on the plate and sealed. So that'll fix the hot water system for the sink in the bathroom. And then one of the lighting fixings in the ceiling in the kitchen doesn't work, and I've changed the light bulb, but that doesn't work. So that needs to be fixed as well. And I'm not sure whether it worked when we first arrived a couple of years ago. So Maywish is the executive of lady who looks after the apartment. The owner lives in India. So I'm making this video so that at least you now, I'll put some photos up so you can see what it is. And then my number is 971-52858-2294, Charles Crawshaw, room 3718, Damac Ghalia Tower, Jumeirah Village Circle. Thanks very much, and I look forward to getting these things fixed before I go. Bye-bye.